In 2014, India launched the most ambitious financial inclusion program in history to bring financial services to every one of its 1.3 billion citizens.
फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन को एक मजबूत धरातल पर अगर लाना है तो देश के गरीब से गरीब व्यक्ति को आर्थिक गतिविधि की मुख्य धारा में जोड़ना पड़ेगा और बैंक अकाउंट ये उसका एक प्रारंभ बिंदु है.
After opening millions of bank accounts, the government was facing a problem: how to make sure they would be used, and introduce the poor to formal banking. Their solution? Using the accounts to deliver government subsidies and payments in a new system called direct benefit transfers. The idea was to impel households to utilize bank accounts in order to receive subsidy payments, a far-reaching test of the government's financial inclusion plans. But for some, the benefits of the new system are yet to be felt. This is Subhash Camp. Many of its 3,000 residents earn less than $3 a day and often use firewood to cook. Lalita, who goes by only one name, is receiving the new gas subsidy in her household's bank account. That's a big difference from last year, when the government subsidized dealers so that they could sell cooking gas at below market prices to everyone. Lalita says she found the old system easier.
जो पहले मिलता था वो सही था क्योंकि जितने पैसे हमारे पास होते थे हम उतने दे देते थे उनको. लेकिन अब क्या है कि अब चाहे बेशक वो पैसे हमें वापस कर देते हैं, लेकिन जिस टाइम सिलेंडर लेते हैं उस टाइम तो हमें उतने ही पैसे उसको देने हैं, कम से कम 600 रुपए 700 रुपए.
She says she also hasn't been receiving her subsidy on a regular basis.
2 महीने करीबन शायद आई है, उसके बाद में फिर सब्सिडी हमारी 3-4 महीने बीच में नहीं आई.
When asked about the delays, a senior official at India's Petroleum Ministry said the system was seamless, but payments could stop if the account holder sets up another bank account without updating their details properly, and in that case, missed benefits won't be reimbursed. Lalita says she hasn't opened any new bank accounts. She says apart from receiving the gas subsidy, she hardly uses the bank account she has and doesn't save. Motivating low-income people to use their accounts to save can be difficult.
Most of these accounts are actually dormant. When they function is when the government transfers some of its direct benefits into these accounts. And the disadvantage of that, many people have found, is that they then have to make that journey to actually go to the bank and collect this money.
There are also concerns that errors and inconsistencies in the government's digital identification database, Aadhaar, mean that some people risk being locked out of the new system altogether. The subsidy program hasn't helped 29-year-old Reena, who goes by only one name. She doesn't have a subsidized gas connection because she can't afford the outright cost of larger government-authorized cylinders. It means she doesn't qualify for a subsidy.
मेरा भी दिल करता है कि जैसे सबका है वैसा हमारे भी, क्या करें जब भगवान ने वैसा कर रखा है तो क्या कर सकते हैं.
She spends roughly a third of her family income buying smaller bootlegged gas cylinders, which end up costing her twice as much as subsidized gas. Unlike many unbanked Indians, Reena has had a bank account for 10 years, but no reason to use it and no money to bank.
तनख्वाह लेके आते हैं, मतलब पैसा आता है घर में, कोई ना कोई दिक्कत आ जाती है, इस वजह से हम डाल नहीं पाते, मतलब बच नहीं पाता हमारे पास.
India's government says direct benefit transfers have already made distribution of subsidies more effective. The government hopes to get even more people to start using their bank accounts by using them to deliver subsidies like food, fuel and fertilizers.
I think the problem here is that we are seeing financial inclusion only in terms of having an account. Genuine financial inclusion means you can access institutional credit. We have to be willing to shell out the money to ensure that everybody is able to access formal financial services on equal terms.
For many of India's poorer citizens, access to these financial services remains out of reach.
हमारे लिए जैसे पहले था अब भी वैसे ही। क्यों कि चाहे जन धन योजना है, मोदी का है, चाहे किसी का है, जब मेरी हालत तो ऐसी है तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ। मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा। मेरे लिए अभी भी वैसे ही है, जब भी वैसा था।